Are you shopping for a new wall-mounted range hood but don't know which one to pick? Stick around, because today we're ranking the top models from Cosmo so you can choose the perfect one for your kitchen without wasting time or money. Let's kick things off with the Cosmo model that lands at the bottom of our list. It's the WRCS75. Now, don't get me wrong, this is still a capable range hood, but when compared to the others, it just falls a bit short in a few key areas. The WRCS75 gives you powerful suction at 380 cubic feet per minute, which is enough to clear most everyday cooking fumes. It comes with soft touch controls and an LCD screen which look modern and sleek. Plus, the curved tempered glass canopy adds a nice design touch if you're going for a contemporary look in your kitchen. Like the others in this lineup, it's convertible, so you can install it as ducted or ductless. But here's where things get tricky. The installation on this one has frustrated quite a few buyers. It's not as straightforward as it should be, especially when lining everything up properly, and while the touch controls look great, they can sometimes be less responsive compared to physical buttons. It also gets a bit loud on the highest setting, around 65 decibels, which might bother you if you cook often. So, who's this for? If you love the look of the curved glass canopy and you don't mind a little extra effort during setup, the WRCS75 could still work for you. Plus, all the product links, including this one, are in the description below, so you can check the current price and grab the best deal. Next up is the AS750, which lands just ahead of the WRCS75, but still doesn't break into our top picks. This hood has a lot of the same specs: 380 cubic feet per minute airflow, an LCD touch panel, and that curved glass look that's become pretty popular in modern kitchens. The AS750 performs well when it comes to airflow, and the LEDs give you plenty of light over your stovetop. The baffle filters are dishwasher safe, which is always a plus because it cuts down on maintenance time. It's also convertible, so you can install it however your kitchen allows. The downside? This model has a few quirks. The touch controls can sometimes glitch out, which is frustrating when you're mid-cook. And for smaller kitchens or those with low ceilings, the size might be overkill. It takes up a fair bit of space. It's also loud on high, so if quiet is a priority, this one might not be for you. If you're after strong performance and love the look of stainless steel and glass, this could still be a good pick, especially if you catch it on sale. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our future reviews. Coming in at number 3 is the Cosmo 63190. This one's a little different because it's designed for 36-inch cooktops, so it's perfect if you need something wider to cover a larger range. Just like the others, it has 380 CFM airflow, which handles most cooking fumes with ease. It also has durable stainless steel filters that you can pop into the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. The simple push-button controls are reliable and straightforward. No touch screens here, which some people actually prefer. But this model isn't without its drawbacks. It still gets pretty loud on the highest setting, and Cosmo includes flexible ducting in the box, which isn't the best for noise reduction. Another small complaint is that the back of the chimney isn't fully finished, so you'll need to keep it a few inches away from the wall to hide that. If you've got a wider stove or you just like the look of a larger hood, this could be your best bet. It's simple, powerful, and budget-friendly for the size. At number 2, we have the Cosmo 63175. Now we're getting into the really solid options. This one keeps things simple with classic push-button controls instead of a touch panel, but don't let that fool you. It's one of the quietest models in the lineup when you run it on low. It still gives you 380 CFM of airflow, and the stainless steel baffle filters are easy to clean in the dishwasher. The design is sleek but straightforward, and the 20-gauge stainless steel makes it tough enough to resist dents or damage over time. Of course, it's not perfect. Like the others, it comes with flexible ducting in the box, which isn't ideal if you want the quietest performance possible. You'll probably want to swap that out for rigid ducting, and if you're particular about lighting, you should know the LEDs are a cool white, which might not match warmer kitchen setups. This is the model I'd recommend for anyone who values simplicity and reliability over flashy features. If you don't need a digital display and you just want something that works, and works quietly, this could be the one for you. Finally, at the top of the list is the Cosmo 63175S. This one strikes the perfect balance between performance, design, and convenience. It has the same 380 CFM airflow as the others, but pairs it with soft touch digital controls and a sleek backlit LCD. The baffle filters are easy to clean, and the LEDs give you great visibility over your stovetop. Plus, the overall build quality feels premium with its brushed stainless finish. Like the other models, it can get noisy on high speed, but on low, it's impressively quiet. The included flexible ducting isn't ideal, but you can always upgrade to rigid ductwork for better sound control. Some users also mention needing a chimney extension for tall ceilings, but that's a minor issue compared to the positives. If you want the best blend of features, style, and user-friendliness, the 63175S is the clear winner here. It's perfect for homeowners who want a sleek, powerful range hood without dealing with complicated installation or unreliable controls. That wraps up our ranking of the best Cosmo wall mount range hoods. Don't forget, you can find all the product links at the best prices right in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.